Why does your scanner show the P0721 engine code? What does it mean? P0721 is a diagnostic trouble code for output shaft speed sensor circuit range performance. This error code indicates a problem with the output speed sensor circuit. Specifically, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, isn't properly converting the pulse signals from the output speed sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty output speed sensor, wiring issues, internal transmission issues, other sensor malfunctions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford F-150 and Mercedes S-550S. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.